What's up, all you amazing people? Hope all of you are doing well. It's 2:45 a.m. at night, and well, I just came out of a night duty. And the thing is that I had a sort of a pretty long day, continuous day duty. Then I went for gym a couple of hours, and then I had to clock in for night duty. Right now I'm leaving from work. It's 2:45 a.m. and I thought it would actually be a perfect video to show you around the scenes here in Riyadh at 3 a.m. So inshallah, hoping that this will be a good video. So first things first, I have to get my car refueled. So I'll actually go to the fuel station, or I have okay, if I go to the fuel station, I can show you more around the Makkah road, and then circle back to go on to Prince Turki road and then the Takhassusi road. And the other thing is that I feel like having some tea, so there's one tea shop, Chai Abu Waleed. I could go over there, and after that there's another fuel station by the name of Foodie, so I can go over there as well. So I will decide by the end of the road. I'll decide. As we are out and about, I think the one that I talked about, where we'll have some drive along the U-turn on Makkah road, that one will be better because I'm already tired. It's been some pretty long, how many hours? Okay, 7 in the morning, 7 to 7, 12 minus 10, okay, 10, and yeah, it's some around about 18-19 hours of work. Yeah, continuous work. What do we have over here other than the red traffic light? It's dusty outside. Yeah, but these are the scenes here in Riyadh around 3 a.m. Hi Chanjan.
Good evening.
Please increase the AC temperature.
Increase to 25.5.
Please reduce the fan speed.
Adjusted to 2.
Thank you so much. So well, yeah, now we have a green light. It's our turn. All of you stay here. We are gonna go. By the way, this is just sarcastic. So it's gonna be 3 a.m. and well, you see, there's almost no traffic. Wonderful. It's dusty outside. Here's an advertisement for Herfy. You see, I'm their brand ambassador. No, I'm not. Don't worry. There's some advertisement going on at the Kingdom Tower, but it's quite far in the distance. You wouldn't be able to see here with the camera. Even with the naked eye, it's quite hazy, but these are the scenes. Well, going to Chai Abu Waleed wouldn't be like my first choice, but well, the thing is that right now it's the only one open. We have coffee shops, so but I think I would go with a Karak tea. And I'm gonna go to the fuel station that's over here. I recorded a video where I went to Al Kharaj. I started the video from here, so I do try my best to record these drives. I find it quite fascinating. So let's come over here. हाँ भैया कैसा है? 91 का फुल. हाँ और ठीक है, खुश है? हाँ क्विज. Yeah, 91 full. So it's dusty outside and I'm so allergic to dust. So we'll just roll up the windows, and these are the scenes. I think let's guess how much is the sale gonna be for. I think it's gonna be 103 Riyal. Right now it's on 20, and we are gonna see if that ends up being the case, but well, this is my best guess. Let's see how much we get. Okay. Anyways, how's your day been? I know you people watch the videos, but I would honestly appreciate if you get to comment as well. If you take a little bit more time out to comment and give me feedback. And for those who do give me, I really appreciate you guys a lot. You people are gems. All of you are gems actually. So well, yeah, I got the car washed from one place and they put some these plastic covers over here. I don't really actually need these, so yeah, we are gonna take it off. This one as well. Yeah, better. What about this? Should we take this off as well, or should we take it off in the next one? Right now the sale amount is 483, and let's wait and watch. 94, 95, 96. Come on. I don't want to even look to that side. Oh, it's 101.74. Oh goodness, how could I be so off? Now it's 102. Wow. Let's ask the guy if Mada visa. Okay, sab hai? Okay. लो भैया. Thank you, खुश रहो. So, well, it was 102. I think I guessed 103. Yeah. oh goodness. Well, that was insane. So now we are off on to this Makkah road. We are not gonna take the ramp below, but rather we are gonna stay outside, and then up ahead we'll be taking the U-turn. So now the car can go 592 kilometers, and if I was actually doing a live video, we could actually take some suggestions, but anyways, alan waqt mutakhir bil-lail, and we I have to go back home. I have to sleep, and I also have to get some tea along the way. Goodness, this is so dusty. Why? I was at this construction site, so I didn't notice the dust that much, because obviously construction sites are dusty. And well, here we are finally. Gonna take a U-turn. So I'll tell you. So this road down, it goes to Makkah Road. This one that's in the middle, it leads you to the U-turn, and the one in the right, it actually takes you to Hammam, back to Hammam. There's a road behind that also goes to Hammam. It's called the Hammam road, but this is in actually a neighborhood, housing neighborhood, and it also leads there. Now we are again on Makkah Road. Check out these scenes. They have quite some good landscaping around this part of the Makkah Road, and also Hammam, and on the other side towards Al-Hada district as well. Sort of relatively more green than most areas here in Riyadh. Now we are not gonna take the ramp, because we are gonna stay here, and we are gonna go from the Prince Turki Road. You see, that's a fuel tanker. Anyways, it went down. We are going up. So these are the scenes. I think there's a Dunkin' over there. I'm not sure if it's open or not. Probably closed, otherwise it would show up on the map. So it's time to go. The time is 2:58. Gonna be 3. What do we have? A Hyundai Sonata, a Toyota Corolla, a Lexus LX 350. Not sure if I am saying it right, but anyways, now I am actually staying outside, because if I stay on the Turkey Road, I cannot go to this road that leads to Panorama. This one leads to one turn behind Panorama, one actually main road behind Panorama. We can go from here, but I would actually want to go from the next one. So there's a split over here as well, so my bad. Okay, there's one over here as well if you want to go from here. on, let's go. There's a coffee shop over here. 1454, that's the name. Arshi. Up ahead on our left is gonna be Panorama Mall, and if we cross the traffic signal, the shop on the corner is the Chai Abu Waleed. So if you are concerned about the air quality, so there's one indicator, it's called the air quality index. You can look it up on the internet, but what you have to do is just go for the air quality index for AQI from IQ Air, because that's one of the most trusted companies in the world when it comes to air quality monitoring and air quality systems. Go to the IQ Air website, check out the AQI for your country, for your city. We can check the AQI for Riyadh right now. Riyadh AQI right now. Riyadh AQI. So if I show you over here, it's 105 right now, which means it's polluted, and the PM 2.5 in the air is 37 microgram per cubic meter square. It's high. It's actually not good. So anyways, we are gonna get some tea from there, and then I will head back home. There's a Shanjanado over there in white color, and also there's not much traffic around at this time of the night. Let's find a parking over here. Are we gonna find it? Yes, we will. So I'll close the video and then I will actually go sit inside for a bit, have my order ready, and then I will see if I have to leave or what. But this is Chai Abu Waleed. You see people are sitting outside. They still have some hustle and bustle around here. And after that, I think I would just end the video. I wouldn't be recording much. So I honestly appreciate you all for giving your time watching these videos. You people are so amazing. You are gems, honestly. Have a very blessed day, night, wherever you are. We'll see each other soon.